Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you simple iPhone setup. So let's begin. Guys, first go to gallery and apply this wallpaper. This wallpaper downloading available on description. Simply apply. Simply apply and customize lock screen. First set clock, increase clock size and set black color. Now guys, if you want to customize your wallpaper like this, then you also change color of this wallpaper and set any color like this. Guys, I set black and white color. Now simply tap on add, tap on customize home screen and simply unblur wallpaper and tap on done. Now you can see wallpaper also apply and you can see our lock screen. First remove weather widget and set icons like this. Now simply add widget. Add calendar widget first. Now guys, simply set edit and customize icon and set dark icons. Now guys, you can see our home screen completely change into normal home screen. But this is look awesome. Guys, if you want to set black and white color, then simply tap on edit, go to customize and tap on clear and you can see your home screen completely look like black and white. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.